Yo everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome tool called whichllm, created by Andy, that helps you find the best AI model for your hardware automatically. It detects your GPU, CPU, RAM, and even estimates model speed and VRAM usage to recommend the best local LLMs from Hugging Face. Instead of just showing what fits, whichllm ranks models using real benchmarks like LiveBench, Arena Yellow, and coding evaluations, so you actually get the smartest model for your setup. Whether you have an RTX 4090, RTX 4060, Apple Silicon, or even CPU only, this tool tells you exactly what you can run and how fast it'll perform. Let's check it out. Alright, now let's install whichllm and get it running on your machine. I'm going to use pip for this because it's simple and works basically everywhere. Copy this command, open your terminal, paste it, hit enter, and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it's done, just type whichllm, and the tool will automatically detect your GPU, CPU, RAM, and VRAM, then rank the best local AI models you can run on your hardware. See, it's too easy. You can even check all the available usage options here. Right now, we're just using the basic command, but you can also search models specifically for your GPU. For example, if you want to check the best models for an RTX 2050, you can run whichllm GPU RTX 2050. You can do this for basically any GPU, Apple Silicon, or even CPU-only systems to see what models will run best on that hardware. You can even check whether a specific AI model will actually work on your hardware or not. For example, if you want to run something like Llama 370B, you can simply use the plan command like this: whichllm plan Llama 370B, and it'll tell you what kind of GPU, VRAM, and hardware you need to run that model properly.